Panasonic Avionics is hiring software engineering interns for the 2026 batch, and this is a great opportunity for final year engineering students. If you've ever watched movies, played games, or used Wi-Fi on a flight, Panasonic Avionics is the company behind that technology. With more than 40 years of innovation in the aviation industry, this internship gives you the chance to work on real products that impact millions of passengers around the world. The internship is open to final year students from computer science, IT, and E&TC. It runs for 4 to 6 months, and based on your performance, you may also receive a full-time offer as an MTS I in software or testing. During the internship, you will work with experienced engineers to design, develop, and test software modules. You will participate in code reviews, debugging, performance optimization, documentation, and agile team activities like sprints and stand-up meetings. To apply, you need good knowledge in at least one programming language such as Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript. You should also understand object-oriented programming, software design principles, web technologies, and SQL databases. Knowledge of React, Angular, Node.js, Git, CI/CD, or cloud platforms is an added advantage. If you want hands-on experience in software development with opportunities for learning, mentorship, and future career growth, this Panasonic internship is worth applying for.